This video show you how to create invoice in Pilim and send it to client.
Select cash flow and click Create Invoice. Select Customer and click on Next. Review customer details and click on Next. Select product type and invoice date and click on Next. Click Add Item and fill the details. Enter item name or number, quantity, select VAT type, enter price per unit, discount in percentage, item description and click Continue. Item has been added. Select bank details and click on Submit. Invoice has been successfully submitted. You can now download the invoice. Invoice has been successfully downloaded. You can go to invoice listing and send it to client. Invoice has been successfully submitted to client.